To succeed in your future, you must let go of your past. If you put more force on your past, your present will be gone. What is force? Force is mass into acceleration. The more force you are put on your mind, your crooked brain will cause the more of acceleration, increasing the stress. The more force you put on yourself, the more mass you will gain. Make calculations from the past for the implementation in the present, for the experimentation in the future. So the key is to stay in the inertia. What is inertia? Is to stay in the present and not think about the past or the future. Always be in the inertia. The inertia will lead to success. This is the Newton's first law of commotion. That is all for today.